Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. I'm going to do the Cottoncuts Mystery Quilt. I'm doing the small quilt for the fall mystery quilt. And we're doing clue number 3. Everything you need is right here. It comes pre-cut. They also send a little bonus, which is the block of the month, just a pattern for blocks, which is really cool. Now, as in the past, I keep all my mystery block of the month or clues in one place, and I need my little labels. I also need my instructions that tell me what my colors, what letters they are. So everybody's puzzle pieces for puzzle piece will be the same if you have the small or the large. So the only thing that will change is the layout of your fabrics based off of what's going on your particular colorway. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this, and we'll look at it in the end. Okay, so as you can see, I have made my block 3A, has 2 parts to it. I needed to make 4 of these, which are done, and then 2 of these, which are done. And now I'm going to make, with these, 2 sets that look like this. Think about that, it goes like this. So I'm going to sew this together and then move on to block B. here are my blocks. I am still working on trying to get points on my corners. So there's one, there's not one, I lost it. And this, I lost both of them. The nice thing about this is such a light color. Hopefully it won't be as drastically obvious as it could if it was a darker color. I'm working on it. And these are slipping a little bit on me. And for some reason, that needs to be trimmed up. And everything was a little screwy. So even though I had pre-cut pieces, I still couldn't manage to sew them on exactly where they needed to go. And I had a teeny bit of trimming, and that's what happened here. So I'm just going to leave this until it's time to assemble everything and see what I need to do. But that's my 3A. So clue 3, block A. Now for 3B, we have this, and we're going to do the 4 squares again. It's basically a square and a square and a square. Okay, so it's going to go like this. And then we're going to take the next size up, and it's going to go here. Whoops, good little breeze. And then we're going to go around all 4 sides, and then the last one will be this bigger one, which will go here. So I'll show you when I've got to that point and we're all done. Needs a little bit of squaring up. I'm not going to do any of that right now, but here's my block B. Alright, so here is my block B. So this is 3, this is block A. Actually, I want to have another little press through here. All right, 3B, 3A, 2 of these, 1 of these. Let's see, where's my alphas? These are Lori Holt. I don't know what they're called, but anyway, they're little alphabet stickers, which are good for what I'm doing. Okay, so we have, oh, so I'm struggling because I'm using A and B on everything. That's okay. 3A and 3B. I think I better keep everything labeled. Okay. I'm going to take the 3 off of here. Okay, 3A, 3B. And now I'm adding 2, just had the 1 block, but 1A and B, I lost a sticker. So I'm just gonna make sure, but what I'm doing is I'm keeping these 2 pinned together, but I want things to be easy for me. So there's block 1, A and B, block 2, block 3, A and B, and this is gonna get a pin that holds them together. And then I keep all of these on my bulletin board for now, until I find something better. Okay, we are done with this one. Okay, now I'm going to save my instructions and this and put it in my pouch, and I'm good until the next piece comes out. All right, let me know what you think. Have a great day.